Today we'll be making today
quesadillas.
quesadillas.
Damn! So we
Cheese.
need this is not for the cheese we always use, but we always use the like pizza cheese, I think.
Pizza
Parmesan
cheese?
with mozzarella mix. It's another brand. So we got pita wrap, chicken fillet.
Chicken fillet.
So these are the three main ones. Then after that we have what is this? It's ground chili.
Ground
chili. Paprika. And we have we'll mix the black pepper with the salt later on. And garlic for now with oregano. So we have to mix all these four first. Okay. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon. This is tablespoon, right? 1 tablespoon of garlic. 4. Just agak-agak. Can use more if you want. Oh, dah habis. Kita beli baru. I have 1 tablespoon paprika juga. I use tights.
Just because.
Dah habis chili. Okay, campak je.
How lah like that?
Kita chili sama juga. Only for oregano kita pakai setengah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, just cut small first. We'll see the size. Okay,
2 hours later.
Sambil kita tunggu sambil-sambil lah.
Batin nak masuk dulu ya?
Sekarang dah 6:44. Kita belum masuk.
Dah.
Boleh?
Masuk. Butter. Dah. So. Pakai tangan salin.
Mah tak nampak lah.
Masuk. Spatula. Habis. Ni kasih butter dia. Ni dulu, biar dulu lah.
Hey, hiding behind me.
Okay. Ayam masuk eh? Ayam masuk. Amin air ni sikit. Air. Ayam dia.
Ma, stop it lah.
Ayam dia kasi tahu gaul.
Okay.
Dry kan?
Pergi situ.
Apa?
We can still that one. Go.
Mana?
Nasi dia macam ada kering kan? But at the same time nak boleh taruh buka dia apa.
Tak boleh taruh eh? Dah. Tak sekali je bang. Ni. So ingat ni ada kita ground chili, paprika, oregano, granulated garlic. So kita
Mix it up. Oh, mau mana tak ada?
mau mana? So actually kita boleh letak just gaul for how long mak gaul panas?
You pick up your palette knife and then work that into meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
I swear if this camera has like this spell thing
4D ke 5D ke Toto ke best.
Ma, go try the best.
Boleh?
Okay dah.
Okay, dah. So dia ni coating semua dah habis kan?
Lovely. Ma,
Sekejap. Resepi nanti letak dekat description and the link below. Macam mana tak? A bit of the minyak first, the olive oil. Taruh dekat ni. Okay, then you spread around the thing. You have to spread both sides. This one.
I'm just put this here.
Quite cheap also. Usually it's 8 wraps in one. Spread half. Dah susun gini straight. Later you just leave over balik. Ayam.
Sampai gitu kali. Kau pergi sana Okay. Yep. Should be fine. So
now you tutup. Right. So basically after that you can just put in the pan. Okay. So, present first.
Okay, it's done.
Selamat Hari Raya Idul Fitri. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin. Oke. Honto. Honto. Aduh. Honto. Aduh. Ya Allah. Maaf tadi ada petasan pemirsa. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin ya.
So the color has to be like a bit. Macam mana color dia?
I don't know,
What's
bro.
your preferred one?
I don't know. Black. Brown. Latino brown. But you know, I don't discriminate.
Say ooh.
Correct. The color should be a bit brown.
Okay, no, okay, this is fine. This is fine. Oh, actually, it's not. No. I think.
Okay, right?
Yeah, I think it's all good.
The color.
Okay, just a bit more because I want the thing to be crispy. So the crunch. Good. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, off. Let's put it on a plate.
Cheese bro. Look at that cheese bro. Man do that thing, yeah?
Sombong amat.
Man do that thing. Bon appetit. Huh? Bon. If you all don't know that, you all suck. Appetit.
Hey, I want to see you open up the cheese first.
Alamak tak, okay, but you all see that though. You all see that though. Okay, hold on. You see that? That string. That string though. Woo!
Para bak boom pow.
Okay, this thing right. I don't want to be biased but you guys can try it yourself. Oh, look at that though. That cheese, that everything that's inside. Oh, that string of cheese. That's how you're supposed to do it. It's good. Dia tak muak, you know, like how all Malays say. It's you can eat this every second, and it doesn't feel like you're muak lah, whatever lah, muak. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Sampai tercecek-cecek. Like bro, come on man. That is
Better than Pizza Hut.
wow. Pizza Hut got nothing on us bro. Pizza Hut
Sombong amat.
got nothing on us. Bruh. See you guys in the next video.
And
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
subscribe. Subscribe itu
Subscribe. Panas. Wow.